Hello, changemakers. Are you ready to get out of just being a teacher in a classroom to become a true game changer? Then this video is for you. This is the must watch things that you learn from this video. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Neeta Parate. I am India's first holistic success coach for educators and entrepreneurs. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ वो 5 टॉप परफॉर्मिंग स्किल्स जो 21st सेंचुरी के स्किल्स कहलाते हैं एंड हर एजुकेटर्स के पास ये अगर 5 टॉप स्किल्स है तो यू विल रॉक इन योर फील्ड. Trust me. So first skill is adaptability. You all know how much adaptability is important. We can't be reluctant with our original or whatever kind of skills we are having currently. Of course, we need to upgrade ourselves. We need to learn new technology. We need to become tech savvy. So all these, this is about adaptability, wherein you should have growth mindset rather than having fixed mindset. Adapt to new kind of techniques, new pedagogies, new kind of methodologies, understand the student and actually change the methodology or the way of teaching as per the requirement, as per the need, how your audience change. You need to actually make it flexible as per the change in the audience. So adaptability is the first skill. Second top skill for 21st century educators is you must learn about emotional intelligence. We all human beings are emotional being. So rather than just teaching to this mind, actually your message should reach to the heart, and that is what is very important. And for that particular thing you need to learn. What do you understand when I say emotional intelligence? क्या होता है emotional intelligence? आपको समझना पड़ेगा, अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा एंड उसके बेसिस पे आपको आपके जो भी मैसेजेस है, आपके मेथड्स है, आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्टाइल है, उसको अडॉप्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो लर्निंग अबाउट इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट skill. Moving on to the third most important skill that every educator should pursue is about tech savviness. Now, this is not the era wherein actually we will say, oh, I'm not very tech savvy and all that kind of thing, because there is no another choice. Each and every student is having smartphone in their hands, so you could not tell them कि भाई मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे होता है. Actually you need to learn. अगर नहीं पता है तो सीखो, because Gen Z want that kind of teachers, and you could not be बाबा आदम के ज़माने के teachers wherein you don't know anything. So of course you need to adopt the technology. You need to learn how to actually play with the devices, how to actually adopt technology in your classrooms. You need to even make the more use of technology when it comes to your teaching learning resources. So whenever you are managing your resources for preparation of your class, actually you should adopt technology as a part of your classes. So this is again a very important skill. So now moving on to the next skills, it is leadership and collaboration. So of course when it comes to a 21st century educator, actually you should have that that particular you may say quality wherein you lead wherever you are, whichever platform you are there, whether it is your classroom, whether it's a open platform wherein you are addressing some another audience beside your classroom. Actually you should lead every conversation, and for that of course leadership quality you need to build. And the collaboration is something wherein rather than competing with your peers or with other coaches and trainers, actually you need to understand your USP, which is that actually strength you have, and on the basis of which if you don't know something, collaborate with others, and that's how you can actually strengthen your qualities and strengthen your knowledge. In that way collaboration works, competition doesn't, right? So these are few of the qualities. And the last but foremost very important quality that 21st century skill you all should adopt is creativity. Now what is happening because of AI, because of all this kind of tech savviness, actually we are not using our brain, and here is the missing factor. If you will not use your brain, intelligence, memory, all these kind of factors which are the unique gift from God to us, actually we may lose it. So you need to actually make the proper use of whatever kind of resources you got as a human being with you, and that's one of it is creativity. You should be creative, whether it's your teaching profession or whether it is something else, or whatever kind of profession you are into. You must be creative, and you need to actually adopt that creativity in each and every situation, and that in the similar way you have to pass on that creativity to your upcoming generation, your students. So these are the top 5 21st century skill each and every educator should pursue. So these are the messages you receive from this, learnings you receive from this particular video. And what is the call to action to this video? So of course, as you all know, I'm launching my webinar on upcoming dates. My webinar is there where I'm going to teach the awaken framework, which is very very important, and you could actually build the similar kind of framework which actually to boost up my journey I have used. I started my journey as an educator. Now I am author, I am coach, and I'm empowering many people. Up till 1 lakh people I have already empowered throughout my journey. So if you would also like to lead your career in this way and want to just become outstanding educator, so you must attend my upcoming webinar. So what is call to action? You have to write ready in the comment box, and if you are coming for the first time onto this channel, so please subscribe and share this video to all the educators. God bless you. Thank you. Bye bye.